es un poco más. Okay. Hola, ¿cómo tal? Dale, so nice to meet you. You said we should go and get a room. No. Oh, my daddy.
I want your daddy too.
Hey! Hear him out!
Something about you makes me feel like you're dangerous for love. Something about you.
Alright, I saw someone do this. You gotta say the first thing that comes to your mind when you see the letter. Vagina. What the fuck? Range. Range. Okay. Indian. Her. That wasn't a word. Ornator. What did I say? Vaginas! I'm losing my mind. Quink!
Sit in my father's chair and threaten my dragon?
I know you want me, baby. I think I want you too.
I think I love you, baby.
I think I love you.
Legally or illegally, we gon'
He said he said something about an eagle, bro. Birds. Eagly.
Consider this an invitation to kiss my ass goodbye. Give me that tight up, come and give me that tight up, baby, give me that tight up, come and give me that tight up.
What's wrong? Scared.
All your lies, I wish I couldn't believe you. That boy is the real pussy pleaser.
You ain't got a crown. Be watching and learning, cause I show you how. Looking at me like you want my man. What the fuck?
In your snide, he is pleasure. Boom, shake, pleasure.
Cause I'm right here, darling, I'm right here. You can close your pretty eyes, my butterfly.
I'm here.
Darling, are you ready for love?
a feather. Say that they're always gonna stay together, but one's never going to let go of that wire. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar.
Yo, to everyone who's always complaining that, like, oh, it's so hot in November, what the fuck is going on? Well, great, here you go. Now it's fucking cold. Look what you did. Oh, it's not supposed to be this warm. Who cares? Take it. Now it's freezing.
So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong, I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I belong with you belong with me in my sweet home. I belong with you belong with me in my sweet home.
We got every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me.
But when an emotionless, wind-up doll like you starts being sympathetic, I'm doomed! I am not a doll. You are! You do anything you ordered to, dumb! You'd kill yourself if your commander told you to, wouldn't you?
Have you ever been punched in your motherfucking face? What you say? Oh, you haven't? Alright, wait, bitch! Look at me, fuck on me.
When I'm rebels, 2018 in that Porsche Carrera.